Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallow edible slime. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 10 large marshmallows, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. A tiny bit of coconut oil is also helpful to keep things from getting too sticky. You can also add a few drops of your favorite food coloring for a fun pop of color. Let's get started with the melting process. Now let's melt those marshmallows. Place your marshmallows in a microwave-safe bowl and heat them for 30 seconds. Give them a good stir, then continue heating in 15-second bursts, stirring after each until they are completely melted and smooth. It's important to get rid of any lumps. Remember, the melted marshmallows will be quite warm, so handle them with care as we move to the next step. Once your marshmallows are perfectly melted, it's time to add the dry ingredients. Gradually mix in the 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Stir well until the mixture starts to come together like a soft dough. Now, lightly grease your hands with a little coconut oil. This prevents sticking. Knead the slime for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth, pliable, and wonderfully stretchy. This is where the magic happens. Congratulations! Your delicious and fun marshmallow edible slime is now complete and ready for play. This delightful creation offers a unique sensory experience. To keep it fresh, store your slime in an airtight container at room temperature. It will remain edible for up to 2 days, though it's often best enjoyed fresh. Remember to always wash your hands before and after playing with your edible slime. Have fun!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.